Today you're going to make a subtractive monoprint. You'll have a placemat, a piece of transparency paper on top of the placemat. You will have some analogous paint colors and a paintbrush. And the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to lay down some paint right on top of your transparency paper. It doesn't have to cover the whole paper. You don't have to worry about doing a super duper job. You just need to have some paint laid down on the paper. I'm getting those colors down pretty fast because I don't want the paint to dry since I'm making a monoprint. All right, that's enough paint. Now I have a Q-tip and I'm going to draw some designs in the paint with the Q-tip. And you can see that the Q-tip kind of removes the paint. This is called subtracting. So this is why it's called a subtractive monoprint, because we're subtracting or taking away paint to make a design. And again, I'm working kind of quickly because I don't want the paint to dry. Now I'm going to take a piece of paper and I'm going to gently lay it on top of my design. I'm going to give it a nice massage because I want the paint to stick to the paper now. I want it to lift up from the transparency sheet and stick to the paper. So I have to rub it all over so it makes a good print. Peel it off, and there is my first subtractive monoprint. Now you can make these monoprints for as long as you want, as many as you want. So you can make several today if you want to, just by painting right over again where you did your first design, and then use the Q-tip and you can make a whole different design. Take your piece of paper, lay it down, give it a nice massage. Sometimes the prints don't turn out super well, like a little piece of my heart there's missing. But what I can do is I can take the end of my Q-tip and just scratch it back in.